Open your mouth and see what your cat does.
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence, okay.
You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see?
What are you doing?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Today I will be showing you how to catch a cat. Step 1, get a box. Step 2. You're welcome.
Hello.
Their grievances and protesting peacefully. They no longer trust politicians. They trust the media mob. This is why hundreds.
Eu gosto muito. Vem aqui. Ah, que da hora, amiga.
아이고, 태나!
Sit. Paul. Lay down. Roll over. Hey. Bang. Bang.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
my God! What is that?
When you find a floof sleeping in its natural habitat, do these two things. Number 1, move to the floof. Number 2, boop the floof. Boop! Your day is now filled with joy.
Mom, what happened? No play, no cuddle. Pet me, pet me, pet me, pet me. Mom, pet me, Mom. Pet me.
It's just a water bottle. I don't understand why you hate it so much.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
If cats no like water, why hang out in bathtub?
Milo, as you know, we just did your monthly weigh-in. And, well, you actually gained weight. You weigh 17 pounds now, which means you're just gonna have to diet more.
You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see?
Walter, you want to go for a walk? Yes? Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Did you know that cats think coffee smells like poop? So if you let them smell it, they're gonna try and bury it.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Go. Every time the ricochet.
Ow! Stop. Stop. It's not nice.
Gideon? Come on, Titan. Come on. Here, Titan, hop in. Gideon?
Don't laugh at me. Someone stole my tooth. I snuck into the Meow Mix and poisoned myself. My life is full of problems.
My child is completely fine.
Concrete? That's concrete, baby. Concrete. Concrete. Funky, concrete. Concrete.
Every time my cat sticks his stinky toe beans in the air, I grab his leg, and I like to call it the chicken leg grab.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Oh my god.
Don't mind me, bestie, just tucking you in and making sure you're all comfy for bed. I was literally already asleep and you jumped on top of me and started messing with my blanket. Alright, bestie, I think you're ready for sleep. Good night, sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite. Good Lord, I hate that gremlin, I can't get any peace even in my sleep. Jesus Christ, when will it end? Oh my god, I almost forgot your goodnight kiss. Excuse me, moi. Will you please get off my face and let me sleep? Good night, bestie, sweet dreams. Finally.
What, do you want to see Dad? Dad? Yeah, he's sleeping. I know, but he's sleeping. You can see him when he wakes up. It's too early right now. I know, but he'll be up soon.
Oh.
It stinks. Nice and good.
Hi, are you hungry? Okay, where's your bowl? Yeah.
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Look who's on my roof. Hello. Meow. Meow.
Not find your cat anywhere. This is all you have to do. Just go to the bathroom, close your door real hard, and 1, 2, 3. There he is.
Dinosaur, yay!
Morning!
So I'm staying at a hotel. It's pretty nice, pretty standard, whatever. Came with a cat. This is not mine. Yeah. So, hi kitty.
I used to have no idea what it would be like to live with someone who hates you, but that was before I discovered owning cats.
Welcome to the bread bank. We sell bread, we sell loaves. We got bread on deck, bread on the floor. Toasted.
Cats are obsessed with water or yours.
With the new kitty cat storing mat, you simply wrap him up, stir him away, put him in kitty stasis, and he's out of the way. When you want to use him later, you simply pull it out, unwrap it like a burrito, and he's ready to play.
Heard screaming, so I came upstairs. What do I find? Kiwi has been captured by Truffle and Sage. Who else is in here with you, Kiwi? Poor Peppercorn and Kiwi. Excuse us. Wow. Wow, guys. Can we not figure out how to get out? Is that hard for us?
When you find your cat like this,
Cleo? What are you doing? Are you in bed? Oh, hello.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Really thirsty. I think I'll just grab a water. Thanks. Thank you.
Right. So I hung my avocado bag
on the door earlier. And I found Elma inside. What are you doing? Hey?
Gizmo? What are you doing, Gizmo? What is going on, Gizmo? Oh, big yawn. I really don't know what's going on with your body, though. You look a little...
It's the final brain cell.
All right, genius. Cooper. You realize that you can go through that opening, right? Cooper, right here. Come here. You just did it. Cooper, come here, genius. Come here. Come on. Good Lord. It's a good thing you're handsome. They're literally have their arms wrapped around each other. It's the cutest thing. Oh my God.
Let your cat pet you and see what he does.
Sweet pea. Meow, meow. What a good kitty. You're such a sweet little kitten, aren't you?
Oh. Oh goodness, what is that?
Look at this.
Give your mom a kiss.
Hungry? Are you hungry? Come on. You want food? You hungry? Let's go. Are you a proper princess? I see where those hands are placed on your lap, like a gentle cat.
Oh, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Oh, you're hungry for dinner, mister? Okay, little Mr. Ruprecht. Here comes your food. Oh my goodness.
What?
Nemo has separation anxiety.
Baby, come here. Baby, come here.
Whoa, Gizmo, is that you? I've been asleep all day. What have you been doing, buddy? Big yawn. Get a big pet. Oh.
Is there a cat under this rug? Let me check. Is there a cat under this rug? Let me check. Is there a cat under this rug? I will check if there's a cat. Let me check if there's a cat under this rug.
Guessing what my cat is going to say. Meow. 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 What are you saying? Meow.
Do you mind releasing chopsticks? Thank you.
Welcome to every morning in my house.
Mishy, what the heck?
Are you mad?
What? Okay. Look, kitty nips. Kitty nips. Snuggle. Snuggle. Yes, lady, snuggle. I love you. I love you so much, Tina. You're the best guy in the world. Yes, you are. You do me. Well, you're not a guy. You're a lady.
Yo, bro, can you tell me what this thing says? Genius.
You're my friend now.
Honestly, he's become too much of a threat. I can't even get him out of there.
Hi, I'm Oliver, and this is why I'm not allowed to watch TV anymore.
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence, okay.
Full Metal Alchemist. Full Metal Alchemist.
They love being outside, watching birds and cicadas. Look at Littlefoot. Hey, kitty, good morning. Y'all just be opening doors outside. What's up, Gucci and Littlefoot? Good morning. Good morning.
We're talking Teletubbies. Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and
Aşkım, 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 aşkım.
Bedava bir şey veririz.
Has the whole bed. Sleeps right here. Yeah, you.
Punch me. Oh my gosh, why did you do that? That hurt.
Do a somersault. Somersault. Yay! Way to go! That was an extra little flip.
You're my freaking life. You're my reason for breathing. Everything I do is for you.
Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle.
What are you doing? I just folded all of that stuff. Why would you do that? Oh! Stop it! Kevin! Who do you think you are? Ugh. Now they're gonna have cat hair all over them. Kevin, you suck. More of you rubbing all over my fresh, clean clothes.
Puma, get your up. I'm bothering you. I am.
Clover, you're squishing Cosmo. Yeah, get off him. You're squishing him. Get back down. Sorry, Cosmo. You're squishing him.
Where's that?
They're just hanging out with it.
Is it alive?
Come here. What are you guys doing? You're supposed to get it.
See, Blue would do the same thing. I bet you they're just fucking but not killing it. Do you think we could open the front door and get it out with that broom?
What are you doing?
Why's she playing with me this morning?
So I went. No. Where the hell you put the babies at? They ain't in there. Gotta clean that. Where the babies at? I asked them put them over here.
I really need a pen right now. Thanks, dude.